It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, let's start our second series of Last Mile to GATE 2023, and again today also I will be dealing some of the best questions which you might have not seen earlier, right? So let's start cracking the questions there. Before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and these are my scores in different examinations, and these are my credentials. Now when you use my referral code NLN10, yes, you will be getting 10% discount, and you will be getting guidance of all these subjects from me. Now why me? I am ranked 8th in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. So most of the students ask me this doubt, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic, and what are the advantages when I choose iconic or plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program, right? So that you can speak with your mentor, right, with your educator regarding all your doubts for your preparation. Each and every doubt will be solved, and each and every test will be analyzed, so that your mistakes are rectified and your score is boosted, right? And see here, you will be getting dedicated doubt clearing educators, and you will be getting a personal coach, study planner, right, study booster sessions. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also, right? These are the features of plus and iconic, and it's how much you have to invest. If you are choosing plus, and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 2,200 per month, the lowest, where you will be getting India's the best educators to teach for you. Now when you use my referral code NLN10, you will be getting my guidance and my entire group guidance, and you will be getting 10% off After 10% of the price will be 53,737 for 24 months, and this is for 12 and 18 months. Of course, these are the normal prices, ma. For GATE 2023, 2024, and those who are preparing for GATE 24 and 23 again, Unacademy is giving an incredible offer, right? So, new year, new wishes, right? We are offering you 23% discount on your subscriptions, right? Do try to subscribe those who are serious and join the best quality courses. Now, these are the present prices, ma. Right? I have given you the normal prices. Yes, these are the present prices. Of course, right? You will be getting EMI facility also. Those who want to get your dream fulfilled, yes, you can call to this number and get the details regarding your EMI. Yes, perfectly done. So, yes, we will start the questions here. Let me download the slides there. 1 second. I'll get the slides. Yes, this is the question there. So I will solve this question, right? The next question you should solve for me. Am I okay? Then observe the question carefully. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. This is a PYQ, ma. Exact, not PYQ. A rehash of PYQ, right? So find the value of x plus y is the question asked. So how to deal this question there? So I can do one thing. Now see here, OF and AE line segments are intersecting with each other. So vertically opposite angles will be equal. Now if this is x degrees, this will also be x degrees. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. If this is x degrees, this will also be x degrees. I'll take down this as x degrees. Done. Now, so we have to find out x plus y degrees itself. So how to do this? Now we know one point. Now see here, BC and BD are the chords of the circle, and the angle formed by the chords of the circle on the circumference is 35 degrees. And see here, AC and AD are two more chords, and the angle made by the chords on the circumference of the circle is this. Now AB angles are formed on the same arc. Am I right or wrong? Angles formed by the chords on the same arc will be equal. If this is 35 degrees, this will be 35 degrees. So observe triangle ACE. Observe triangle ACE. If you closely observe, then ACE. Now this is 90 degrees. This is 35 degrees. Now how much will be this one? Now this one will be 55 degrees. Very good. Now observe triangle DEF. In triangle DEF, angle 55 degrees is nothing but exterior angle of the given triangle. Exterior angle of a given triangle will be equal to sum of interiormost opposite angles, and my x plus y is nothing but equal to how much? 55 degrees, and there is no option, and your option number D. Yeah, YouTube, right? I don't know your name, but answer is correct. Exactly right. So from next question, right, what I will do is I'll give you 2 minutes for each and every question. Think aram se. Let's see, right? So see here, for this question, you should not keep your pen on the paper. Without that, you have to solve this question there here. But I'll be giving you 2 minutes, but you need only 30 seconds to solve this question if you know the logic there. Observe the question. This I took it from one textbook here. I don't know, one author have written in Delhi based author so many years ago. Observe the question and let me know the answer there. Where are my regular students, right? Pralay Mehta, Naman Mehta, Srinivas, Avesh, Anshita Gupta. Hi Joshi. A smaller circle touches internally to a larger circle at A. Okay. And passes through center of the circle, center of the larger circle it seems, and passes through the center of the larger circle. O is the center of the larger circle. Now see here, I'll write down the O is the center of the larger. In the meanwhile, you can answer me now. And BA and OA are the diameters of the larger and smaller circles respectively. Okay. Chord AC intersects the smaller circle at a point called D. Okay, again. If AC is equal to 12, then find AD value is the question asked. Chalo. How many can answer this question? 20 seconds more. Here I thought you will be answering this in 30 seconds here. It took 2 minutes. भाई बहुत ज़्यादा easy question था. Not waste your time. Basic properties ना nobody. अरे यार. Now चलो. Now closely observe there. O is the center of the circle. Data insufficient. Suraj. नहीं बेटा. Now closely observe there. So AC is nothing but chord to the larger circle. AC is nothing but called chord to the large circle. No. YouTube right up देखो. From center O, I will be dropping a perpendicular onto the chord D. I am dropping a perpendicular from O to D. From the center of the circle. From the center of the circle, which makes 90 degrees with the chord. I hope so. I am clear. Now closely observe that when you drop a perpendicular from the center of the circle onto the chord, it divides the chord into two equal halves. When you drop a perpendicular from the center of the circle onto the chord, it divides the chord into two equal halves. My AC value is 12, so my AD value will be equal to 6 centimeter. That's it. Yes, perfectly right. That's an easy question, right? Now see here, as simple as such that if you know the properties, you can easily solve the questions. Right? Never ever try to solve with similarities and congruencies of triangles, which will be very time taking procedure, right? So what is the weightage? So मैं कैसा बोलूँगा, right? It might be completely geometry also will be given in the examination here. Now let me know one more easy question there, and this is also a P by Q, of course a rehash of P by Q, not exactly. Let's see how many can answer this. My सभी सब diagram draw किया, so it's easy now to find out the answer. You are asked to find out AB length ma. So this is what missing there in the question. You are asked to find out AB length value. Radius of the circle is 1 centimeter and ABCD is a square. How many can answer this? Suraj. Any answer for this? Why today strength is so less? This is an easy question, na? You are asked to find out AB value. "35 seconds more." 33. Root 2. Suraj, how can it be root 2? This is diagonal of the square, but it is not inside the circle ना, some part is outside. क्या होगा? क्या हो गया आपको? 10 seconds more. YouTube, any answer? No. Chalo, what I will do is I will take down my AB line segment as A. If my AB line segment is A, my AC value will be how much? Root 2A. But you know about this. What is this AC value? Now you closely observe there, from A to O, it is nothing but called radius of the circle, which is nothing but equal to 1. Now see here, OQ is equal to 1, OR is equal to 1. Now OC value will be equal to how much? Root 2. Am I right or wrong? By Pythagoras theorem, OC value will be equal to root 2. By this, what can I write down? My AC value is nothing but equal to root 2 plus root 1 is equal to root 2A. So automatically what will be my A value? A value is nothing but equal to 1 plus 1 by root 2. Anybody got the same answer there? My first option is my answer, right? because AB value is equal to A and this is nothing but called your AB. Perfectly done, na? As easy, as simple. Now comes the best question here. Now, this is what I am expecting from you, right? So let us see those who can solve this. Most of your geometry questions you can solve it fatafat easily. You will be at 99.9%. In the given figure, not drawn to the scale exactly, angle AOC is given as 120 degrees. O is the center of the circle, okay, and ABCD is a square. Find length of DP is to find the ratio of DP is to PC length ratio is the question list. Let's see how many can solve this. Expecting Suraj answers this question perfectly. Srinivas answered this question perfectly. Very Srinivas today. So please do try to hit the like button here. So if you like the session there, so that I can reach to more number of audience. As I am doing the best question series right on YouTube, this quality geometry question series is not at all available anywhere. Seconds more. Suraj, Meet Joshi, YouTube. It is Naman Mehta today. Not the previous guys, right? All the guys who were there in the previous class suddenly gayab ho gaya. They come only for one session. You are asked to find out the length of DP is to PC. Okay. Shall I solve? Shall I? Chalo, I'll solve the question there. Now, you are asked to find out the ratio of DP is to PC length. So, B, no wind. Let's see, right? Check where you are going wrong. AC is nothing but called diagonal of the square. ABCD is a square, it seems. Is AC diagonal? Okay. So what I will do is, ab dhyan se suno, I will take down my AB line segment as A. Okay. Now you closely observe there, from the center of the circle, I have dropped a perpendicular onto the line, onto the chord called AC. AC is in the circle which is called chord. And this divides the chord into two equal halves. Yes, perfectly. Which makes 90 degrees. You should accept this. Yes or no? Perfectly now. Now, what is this value? Now, I'll take down this value PQ. I'll take down this value as R. This dot S. Now, closely observe there. I'll take down like this. My AC value is root 2A. My AC value is root 2A. Because it is diagonal of the square. What will be my CR value? Root 2 by 2. Finally, root 2 by 2 means it is A by root 2. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now let us find out what type of triangle is ORC. Angle R is 90 degrees. Now you closely observe there. One more point. Observe triangle AOC. Triangle AOC per AO is radius, OC is radius. So it is an isosceles triangle. Angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now see here, pura AOC angle is 120. Now this will be 30 degrees and this will be 30 degrees. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. This will be 30 degrees. I'll take down this. Now by this what can I say? This is 30, this is 90. Now this angle will be equal to 60 degrees. Now triangle ORC is nothing but in the format of 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now the side opposite to 90 degrees, 60 degrees is nothing but called your RC value. Side opposite to 30 is nothing but called OR value. And side opposite to 90 degrees is nothing but called how much? OC value, which is nothing but called radius. Now what is your RC value? RC value just now you have calculated, it is A root 2. A by root 2. Okay. Now this is root 3 value. 30, 60 degrees, 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle will be in the format of 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Now root 3 value is nothing but equal to A by root 2. Now how much will be 1 value? Anybody? It is A by root 6. Yes, it is A by root 6. I'll remove this value there. A by root 6. Now how much will be this one? 2 parts value will be 2A by root 2. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. 1 part value is nothing but equal to A by root 6. So 2A by root 6 will be the thing there. No, it is not D option. So this can be written as root 2 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled there. So finally what will be the value there? Value will be root 2 by root 3A. Root 2 by root 3A. Am I right or wrong? Now this is called your radius. Will you accept with me? This is called your radius, which is nothing but called OC1. Perfectly done. Exactly. Let's come up to the next one. In what way this will be helpful for me? Now one more point, I will be taking down one more point. You closely observe there. I will take down one more line segment here to have a more clarity. Now see, from here to here I will take a line segment. From here to here I will take a line segment. And I will take one more line segment. First of all, I will take up to here. Done. Now you closely observe there OPC. Triangle OPC. I will write down here. Triangle OPC is an isosceles triangle because one second. So I'll remove this. I'll draw again this. Nothing to worry. Okay. Now observe here. So this is an isosceles triangle because OP is radius, OC is radius, angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Will you accept with me regarding this? Yes, perfectly. Now what will be this angles there? Any idea? Now see here. This is 30 ma. Now this will be how much and what will be the angle exactly? That's what you have to say for me. What will be this angle? Triangle OPC. It is not 60 degrees. How can we say this? Now I can draw one point perfectly. Anybody, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Waiting for your answer. Raj, it is not D option first of all. It is not D option. This is also completely an isosceles triangle. Now see here, angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now this angle will be equal and this angle will be equal. Now how much will be this angle? How much will be this angle? That's what, if you can find out that, your answer is done there. Now closely observe there, this is 30 degrees beta. Now see here, can it be 60, 60, 60? No, it cannot be 60, 60, 60. Already 30 is there here. Now see here, complete this angle must be 90 degrees, right? Each vertex angle should be 90 degrees. Now if I draw 60 degrees here, now what about this angle? This angle will be left over something, so this is not 60 degrees for sure. I can damn surely say this point there. Any other value that you can decide then. Now see here, I will frame one more triangle with this line segment also, QP. Now this is also an isosceles triangle. So and this angle and this angle must be damn surely equal. Now how can you say this? What are those angles there? Now completely what will be this angle there? Any idea to solve this? So I am waiting for your answer. Any idea to solve this? Any idea, beta? Waiting for your answer. Now closely observe there. This is 30 now. Now closely observe that this will be 45 degrees. This will be 40. Why this is 45 degrees? Now closely observe there. AC is nothing but called diagonal of the square. Diagonal of the square will divide the angle at the vertex of the square into two equal halves. Now this part and this part must be equal. Now this part damn surely should be 45 degrees only. So finally, how much will be the total angle there? Is it 75? Yes, it is 75. Now closely observe that. I'll draw this. This complete angle is nothing but called 75 degrees. Yes. Now if this is 75 degrees, this must also be 75 degrees. Hope so you got my point there. Yes, perfectly. Because angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now see here, for my convenience, I will remove this 60 degrees here because it is not 60 right now. Now closely, this will be 75, 75, 150. Am I right or wrong? 150, this will be 30 degrees. Yes. And the same type here, 75 degrees. Here 45 degrees. So completely this will be 75 degrees. Now this will be 30 degrees. Totally this is 120. Now this angle will be how much? 60 degrees. Now angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now this will be 60 degrees. This will be 60 degrees. Sum of the adjacent angles must be equal to 180. 75, 65, is it 135? Now how much will be this angle? This angle will be 45 degrees. And this angle will be 45 degrees. Everybody know? Now automatically angle D is nothing, everybody know, this will be 90 degrees because vertex angle of a square must be 90 degrees. Perfectly done. I got the answer. Over. My answer is over. Observe triangle DPQ. Triangle DPQ is in the format of 45 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees. So 45, 45, 90 degrees will be in the format of 1:1:√2. Am I right or wrong? And everybody know, see here, these are perpendicular sides. QP value is nothing but equal to √2 value. QP value. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. Yes, perfectly. Now how much is QP value is nothing but called radius of the circle only, right? Because OP, QP and QO are nothing but radius only. So √2 value is nothing but equal to √2/3. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So what will be my DP value? DP value is this one. DP value will be 1/√3. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. 1/√3. I have done it perfectly right. Now see here, DC value is nothing but called side of the square. Now I will write in the next slide. Is there any slide? Okay, I can write down here. So PC value is nothing but equal to A1 minus, let us suppose I took A na. This is 1/√3A. So 1 minus 1 by A minus A/√3. Now is it nothing but called √3 minus 1 divided by √3 A. Perfectly done. Now my DP value is nothing but equal to how much? DP value is 1/√3. How much is my PC value? √3 minus 1/√3. By this, cancel down the denominators there, and my ratio is 1:√3 minus 1. Perfectly done without any issues there. So those who know the basic properties of the circles and triangles, you can solve this question. I didn't use any formula also, any theorem also to solve this. I hope so I am clear. Yes, perfectly. 1:√3 minus 1, Raj Gupta answer. And again, one of my favorite question here. Let's see. A circular ring is tied with 2 ropes, it seems. Sir, it's getting hard to understand. Can you discuss where language easy nahi tha? I didn't use any theorems also, Aniket. You must just rewind the question and you can understand it very, very easily. Sir, it looks so complicated, right? So I used only two basic things, na? 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle, 45, 45, 90. Sometimes you have to solve this type of questions also. Every time easy questions might not be there, na? And Aniket, I think so. This is your first class. You should watch the previous sessions also to make sure that you are strong in the basics. What about this question? circular ring with center O is kept in the vertical position by two weightless thin strings TP and TQ attached to the ring at P and Q, it says. The only thing, if you can find out in the previous question, diagonal divides the angle at the vertex into two equal halves of a square, then automatically you can solve the remaining things. Any answer for this? No? Observe the question there. I'll draw the diagram there. First of all, if you can draw the diagram, you can solve the question fatafat and easily. Aniket, try to solve this question there. So there is a circular ring with center O is kept in vertical position by two weightless strings, it seems. So, okay, two weightless strings. I'll take down the strings as like this. What are those? TP and TQ, matlab this value is T. I'll take down this as P. I'll take down this as Q. Any other point given there? Attached to the ring at P and Q, it seems. Very good. The line OT meets the ring at E. The line OT, so here I'll draw a line segment from O to T. Now this is O, center of the circle, OT it seems. Okay. The line OT meets the ring at E. I'll take down this point as E. Whereas a tangential string at E meets TP and TQ at A and B, it seems. There is a tangential string from E, it seems. So tangential string means like this. From E to P and E to Q. So where they are attached at A and B. At TP, it is A. At TQ, it is at B, it seems. Okay, fine. Respectively, if the radius of the ring is 5 centimeters and OT length is 13 centimeters, what is the length of AB is the question asked. Okay, so we'll solve it. Now, from O to E is nothing but called radius of the circle, and this is 5, it seems. OT value is 13, so TE value will be 8. Everybody know. And you closely observe that you are asked to find out this AB length there. Now, can I take down from here to here? Is this nothing but called radius of the circle? Radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent by tangent perpendicularity theorem. So I am observing a triangle called OQT, triangle OQT, and it is a right angle triangle. Let's find out TQ value there. OQT. In this OQ square plus PQ square is nothing but equal to OT square. Everybody know, let's find out TQ value. OT square is nothing but 13 square. Now OQ square is nothing but called 5 square because this is radius. So what will be TQ value? 13 square minus 144, it is 12. So I got my TQ value as 12. Okay, fine. So we are asked to find out AB value. Let us do one thing. I will take down BQ value as X, TB value as 12 minus X. Now we have a property in circles. When you draw two tangents from an external point onto the circle, and these two tangents will be of equal length. Now see here, B is an external point. From B I have drawn a tangent called B. From B I have drawn a tangent called BQ. BQ value is X, EB value will also be X. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly. And you closely observe there, I can easily write down one more point. Tangent perpendicularity theorem, this will make 90 degrees. By this, is this triangle, I'll write down in blacking. Triangle TEB is a right angle triangle. Am I right or wrong? Triangle TEB is a right angle triangle. Yes, perfectly. And this, what are the perpendicular sides? 8 square plus X square is nothing but equal to 12 minus X whole square. So what will be the X value there? Calculate this and let me know the value there. 64 plus X square is equal to 12 square is nothing but 144 plus X square minus 24X. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. X square gets cancelled. 24x will go on to the left hand side. 144 minus 64 will be 80. Am I right or wrong? 144 minus 64 will be 80. Yes, perfectly. 80. Now what is my x value there? X is equal to 80 by 24. 80 by 24 is nothing but equal to 8 3s are 8 10s are. Is it 10 by 3? Yes. But what is the question asked? You are asked to find out AB length completely, ma. So the similar thing will be happened on the left hand side also. AE value will also be x. So you are asked to find out 2x value. 2x value is nothing but equal to AB. And my value is nothing but equal to 2 into 10 by 3. 20 by 3 is my answer. Is there any option with 20 by 3? Yes, there is an option called D. So in this entire scenario, those who can draw the diagram. So recent CAT examination, right? 20, 19, 18, they are not giving you diagrams. You have to draw your own diagram and then you have to solve it. Right? So these type of questions are being so famous. This is a question asked in one test series, right? Some 2019, I think so. I got that question from there. Done? Very good. Let's come to the next one. Let's see, right? So try to draw the, and this is one of the best question here. So this is one of my favorite question. Let's see how many can solve this. If diagram is given, so 60 to 70% of the confusion will be gone. The thing is, examiner is trying to confuse us. You have to draw our own diagram. We have to draw our own diagram. Hi Mamsi. So do try to hit the like button here, please. Try this. Let's see how many. I will solve this question in many ways. AB is tangent to a circle of radius 27 centimeter as shown in the diagram below, where O is the center of the circle itself. If AB is equal to 36 centimeter and BC pass through center of the circle, BC pass through center of the circle, okay, then find out the area of the triangle ABC is the question asked. See, so those who can crack this question, 99.99, clean 100% also. So I'm waiting Aniket answer. Relaxing wine, I don't know your original name. Mansi, yes. What about Suraj? Raj Gupta. What's your answer there? 30 seconds more. Seconds more. And 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Nobody. No, Aniket, it's not 54. Area of the triangle is 54. How can it be 54 here? The side lengths are so huge, na? AB is a tangent to a circle of radius 27 centimeters as shown in the diagram below. O is the center of the circle itself. Now see, I'll take down O as the center of the circle. Now OC value will be how much? Is it 27? Yes. Now up to here I'll take down one more value D. OD value is how much? OD value is also 27. Yes, perfectly. Because radius now. Now AB is 36, it seems okay, and BC passes through the center of the circle. Then fine. Now see here, I don't know DB value. I'll take down DB value as X because I need area of the triangle. Let's suppose take, now see, is this nothing but called radius of the circle? Yes, perfectly. Now see, from O to A, radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. By tangent perpendicularity theorem, everybody accept this. Now chalo, by Pythagoras theorem, I can write down this point there, OA square plus AB square is nothing but equal to OB square. Now let's find out OB square value. What is OA? OA is nothing but equal to 27. 27 whole square plus 36 whole square is nothing but equal to OB square. Let's find out the value there beta. Any answer for this? OB square का value बताओ. 27 into 27 is 729 plus 36 is 1296, I think so. 1296, yes. So add this together plus 1296. 1 second. 729 plus 1296 is 2025. 2025 means nothing but it is 45 square. So my OB value is nothing but equal to 45. अब देखो OB value, OB is nothing but equal to OD plus DB. Am I right or wrong? So OB is 45, OD is 27, now DB is X. 45 minus 27 will be how much here? Is it 18? So my X value is equal to 18. It's perfectly. X value is nothing but equal to 18. Now, how X value? Yes. Now see here, this is one way. This is basic approach. Everybody can solve. And I can solve in one more way also. Now, are you observing tangent secant theorem? Just for the sake of knowledge, I am giving you all the approaches beta. Later on, you can use whatever you want. Tangent secant theorem, we can solve in this way also. How many of you know we have solved many questions regarding with this tangent secant theorem? Tangent secant. So see here, AB is tangent, BC is nothing but called secant. So by tangent secant theorem, BC into tail end part which is outside the circle DB is nothing but equal to AB square. Am I right or wrong? So how much is BC value? 27 plus 27 plus X, 54 plus X. Now your DB value is also X is equal to, now AB is 36 whole square is 1296. Okay, we will be getting a quadratic equation there, X square plus 54X. Now see how much we are complicating the things there. Now this quadratic equation is not a normal quadratic equation, a complex quadratic equation we cannot solve in a normal way. So I have to find out the roots, I have to find out the positive roots. So I will be taking down this plus P plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Let's calculate this. Will I get the same answer there? If I get the same answer there, we are doing it perfectly right. So X is equal to, B value is minus 54 minus 54 plus root of B square is nothing but equal to 54 whole square minus 4 into A value is 1. Now C value is minus 1296 divided by 2. Let's calculate this. 54 whole square is nothing but how much here? 54 into 54 is 2916. 2916. So minus into minus will become plus. 4 into 1296 will be how much? 5184. Add those two things. 5184 plus 2916 is nothing but equal to 8100. Perfectly done. We have done it perfectly right here. So X is equal to minus 54 plus root of 8100 is nothing but equal to 90 divided by 2. So 90 minus 54 is nothing but equal to 36 by 2. 36 by 2 is nothing but equal to 18. I got the same answer there using with same Pythagoras theorem, using with tangent secant theorem. I got my X value as same. Yes, perfectly. Now the point is, you are asked to find out area of the triangle. How to find out AC value there? Is it a need to find out the AC value? There is no need to find out the AC value beta. Now we have a formula for area of the triangle. Now see here, I can do like this. Area of the triangle, when I know an angle, if I know an angle and sides attached to that angle, area of the triangle will be equal to half into AB into sine theta. Now the thing is, you should know angle B value there. So angle B, sine B value is how much beta? Sine B value is nothing but equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is nothing but equal to 27. How much is hypotenuse? already you have calculated 27, 54, 64, 74. Is it 72? Right or wrong? Did I miss out anything there? Hypotenuse value or otherwise, right? So no need of complete thing. Observe triangle AOB. Observe triangle AOB. In AOB, sine B is nothing but 27 plus 18. 45. 27 by 45 is nothing but equal to 9 3s are 9 5s are 3 by 5. Now I got my answer perfectly. That's an easy case. So how many of you know this formula there? Half into a triangle ABC ka A value is nothing but equal to this one 36. A B value is nothing but completely this 54 plus 18. Is it nothing but 72 into 3 by 5? Sin B, sin theta value is nothing but equal to 3 by 5. Now let me know the answer there. Calculate all these things and let me know. You will be getting 777.3 something. 36 into 72 into 3 into divided by 3 divided by 5. Sorry, I missed out anything there. No. 36 into 72 into 3 into divided by 2 divided by 5. 777.6. Everything is given in centimeter. So your answer is 777.6 centimeters. This is your area of the triangle. So question looks so easy. Yes, Karthik, Adarsh. It's perfect. How is the question? So those who know the things, those who know how to apply the things there easily can solve the question. Otherwise, right, you have to find out AC value by trigonometric identities, which is very tough here. So time taking. Half into base into height, you cannot find out the answer that much easily here. What is your base and what is your height here? That you cannot say it perfectly, na? Yes or no? Done? Exactly. So this is one such beautiful question here. So I've seen this in one test series, right? Let's go to the next one. Let's see how many can answer this. We'll solve 3 more questions, right? So the questions today were a little bit on higher level, more than CAT. Just want to test the knowledge there. That's why I got this question. So this is a question that I took from one test series here. For the test series. From Bombay based one. Set King or Cat King, I forgot. 5 seconds more. Any answer for this? Easy one, na? 64. Very good. Madan Lal gave me the answer there. Exactly, Madan. Karthik, yes. Yes, it is 64. Chalo, I'll do this. A square has 2 of its vertices on a circle. First of all, I'll take a circle. 2 of its vertices and the other two on the tangent to the circle itself. This is the target here. 2 vertices are on the. Chalo, I'll take down like this. 2 vertices are on a circle and that other 2 are on the tangent. Now this is tangent to the circle itself. Done. What is the question asked? Find the area of the square if the radius of the circle is 5 units is the question asked. Chalo, so this is the center of the circle, beta. So I will be taking down like this. This is radius. Up to here I will take down like this. Now this is nothing but called center of the circle. Now radius of the circle is given as 5 units. And you closely observe there, this is also radius of the circle. This will be 5 units. Now I will take down this as x units. Now this x plus 5 is nothing but called exactly side of the square. Now is this nothing but called x plus 5 units? Yes, perfectly. Now closely observe there, from the center of the circle I have dropped a perpendicular onto the chord. This is the chord there. I'll take down like AB is not AD is a chord there. So it divides the chord into two equal halves. Now how much will be this value? This value will be equal to x plus 5 by 2. Then I can find out my x value very easily by Pythagoras theorem. These are perpendicular sides, x plus 5 divided by 2. So I'll take down this value as E. So AEO x plus 5 by 2 whole square plus x square is nothing but equal to square. What will be this value there here? X square plus 25 plus 5 2s are 10x plus 2x square. This will be 4 now, 4x square. Yes. This 2 I'll take, this 4 I'll take down the set. 25 into 2, this will become 100. So finally this will become 5x square plus 10x minus 75 is equal to 0. I can take down 5 as common. So this will be a quadratic equation, x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So it has to be minus 15. So I'll take down this as 5 minus 3. So 5 minus the x plus 5 and this is x minus 3 is equal to 0. So positive should be my answer there. I'll take down x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, then what is the question asked? Area of the square. Area of the square is x plus 5. X plus 5 is nothing but equal to 8 and you are asked to find out 8 square value. Is this the answer there? 64 in my option number C. Perfectly done. Exactly. Done. Perfectly done, beta. Clear. Shall we go for the next one? Let's see how many can solve this. We have done a similar type of question. This I took it from both the prep test series, I think so. Observe this question there. Please let me know. We have done this question, beta. We have done this question in very easiest manner. Those who have followed my previous classes can solve this question in 30 seconds. Any answer for this? In a triangle PQR, PQ is equal to PR is equal to 11 centimeter and S is a point on QR such that PS is equal to 10 centimeter. If the lengths of QS and S are when expressed in centimeter are both integers, it seems. They are both in not fractions, not point values. They are integers, it seems. Find the length of the QR is the question asked. No answers. क्या हुआ? I have solved this question. So can we use Stewart's theorem to solve this question? There, we can use Stewart's theorem to solve the question. अब देखो easily. So triangle PQR. S is a point on QR such that PS value is nothing but given as 10. PS value is given as 10. PQ value is 11. So PR value is 11. And I don't know this value. This is what you have to find. I'll take down this as yes. Do you know what is PS? No. Whether it is median, perpendicular bisector, angular bisector, we don't know anything. So it divides, let us suppose the QR into two parts, M and N. Now can I use Stewart's theorem in order to, I'll take down this as C, I'll take down this as B, I'll take down this as D. I can use Stewart's theorem to solve the question there. What is Stewart's theorem? I have explained you n number of times in the previous classes where you can solve. It is not 9 others. What Stewart's theorem says, to easily remember this, CNC plus BMB, I have given this proof also for you in the previous classes. BMB is equal to dad plus man. Now what is your C value? 11. So 11 into 11, 11 square. Okay. Your B value is also 11 square. I will take down common. So M plus N will be left over here. Is equal to, your D value is 10. So it is 10 square into A plus, what is your A? So I'll write down like this, M, A, N. I don't know these values now. So M plus N is nothing but, what? M plus N is nothing but equal to A only. So I can cancel A from all the things there. 11 square minus 10 square is nothing but equal to 21. 21 is nothing but equal to M into N. So what values can you give M into N as 21? There is only one chance, 7 into 3. Am I right or wrong? 7 into 3 will give you 21. What is the question asked? QR. QR value is nothing but equal to M plus N. So what will be your answer there? 7 plus 3. Is it equal to 10? Yes, it is equal to 10 and this is my answer there. Option number 2. Hope so I am clear. Done. So I have explained you this theorem in the previous class. I have explained you how to use this theorem for the questions also. That's why do follow my sessions there where you can solve the questions fatafat and easily. Yes, and one more, the best question here. Let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes. So every question was Jamia. I'm praising more about my questions, not by me. Questions. Any answer? Fifteen, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nobody. From WO, the in center. First of all, what is in center? Anybody in the comment section box? In center is nothing but called intersecting point of all angular bisectors is nothing but called in center. Am I right or wrong? Triangle PQR, a perpendicular is drawn to the side QR such that it meets QR at A. If angle QOA is 40 degrees, then the measure of angle POR is the question list. Chalo, I'll draw this. Let's see how it happens. Finally, I took like this, right? So that's your wish. You can draw it anyway. I'll take down this triangle as PQR. Now O is nothing but called in center. Now O is nothing, so which is nothing but called intersecting points of all perpendicular bisectors. Now a perpendicular is drawn to the side QR that it meets QR at A. Now you have drawn a perpendicular from O and it meets at A, it seems. Now this will be making 90 degrees. Will you accept with me? Yes. And again, what is the other point given there? Angle QOA. Now this is angle QOA. Is how much? It is nothing but equal to 40 degrees. Am I right or wrong? This is 40 degrees it seems. Now automatically what will be angle Q? Angle Q 40 is 90, 130. This will be 50 degrees. I can say 1 point. Now see here QO. QO is nothing but called angle bisector. Of course, you can extend up to here. No need of any. No problem. So QO is nothing but line segment is an angle bisector because O is an in center. Now angle bisector means it divides the angle into two equal halves at the vertex. And this will also be 50 degrees. Now I will draw one more angular bisector from O to P. Yes, this is one more angular bisector. From O to R, I will draw one more angle bisector. Now this angle bisector will divide the angle into two equal halves here, x and x. Now here they will be dividing the angle R into two equal halves, y and y. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now you are asked to find out angle POR. This is the question you are asked, angle POR. Now observe triangle POR. Observe triangle POR. Angle x plus angle y plus angle POR is nothing but the question. First of all, what is x and y? Observe triangle PQR. If you observe triangle PQR, 50 plus 50, 100. 100 plus 2x plus 2y is nothing but equal to 180 degrees. Now 180 minus 100 will be 80. X plus y is nothing but equal to 80 by 2. Is it 40? Yes. So this is equal to 180 degrees. Now closely observe there, x plus y, just now you have calculated it is 40 degrees. And angle POR is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 140 degrees? Yes, it is 140 degrees and my option is 140 degrees. So how many of you got this answer there? So I'm using minimalistic pen on this slide to solve the question there. Yeah, only using the basic properties to solve the question here. So how are the questions today? Shall we solve one more question or shall we end? Of course, right? We will solve many questions tomorrow. I got many questions there. Yes. So I will solve this question. From next question I will be giving you 2 minutes to solve each and every question. Then okay, fine. Observe the question carefully. What was given there? A glass showpiece in the shape of a sphere. In the shape of a sphere of radius 5 centimeter is packed in a cardboard cubic box whose sides are of length 12 centimeter it seems. To prevent the showpiece from rolling around, 8 identical rubber spheres are placed in the corners of the box. What is the radius of the rubber spheres is the question asked. Up this showpiece was kept intact by this 8 glass rubber spheres. Am I right or wrong? So see here, I'll draw the diagram, then you can get more clarity regarding this. So I'll draw the diagram. Give me. This is a cubic box, not cuboidal box. Okay. Now see here, your glass sphere will be intactly kept around this body diagonal beta, right? If you closely observe there, I'll show you one more thing. Now see here, this will be the, oh, okay, I'll write down plain circle, so that's why you can get more clarity. So here, this is the glass sphere. Now I will draw this thing in a 2D manner, then you can understand this. Let's suppose take this is the body diagonal of the cube, and they go your a glass sphere, right? Your showcase piece is this. And this is attached with rubber spheres. Like this. I hope so you are understanding this point. These are kept intact like this. Now, the point here is, now closely observe there will be a space. Let us suppose take, I will draw here. One circle to understand here. Now closely observe that there is a gap, right? It is not completely radius of the rubber sphere. Now see here, I will take down like this. This glass showpiece of a sphere of radius. Now this is 5. This is 5. This is 5. Okay, fine. Now closely observe there. I will be taking down this as radius R. Okay. Now what will be this radius, right? This is what you have to find out better. This is what you have to find out. Here also, this is what you have to find out. What will be this? Now you closely observe there. It is a 3-dimensional figure, right? Now closely 3-dimensional figure. I can draw 1 dimension here. I can draw 1 dimension here. And I can draw 1 dimension here. So automatically R, 3 sides R. Now this value will be what, ma? So body diagonal of a cube is nothing but equal to root of L square plus B square plus H square. Of course in cube L, B, H are same. You can write down this one, L square plus B square plus H square, where L is equal to B is equal to H. Now to find out this gap length also, we will be using the same formula. I hope so you are getting my point there. Now what will be this value? This value will be root 3R, because I took radius of the small rubber sphere as R. Now this is R I took. Now this side will also be the same, root 3R. Now you closely observe that this complete length is nothing but called body diagonal of the cube. Now side length is 12 na. So what will be this one? L 12 square plus 12 square plus 12 square. Am I right or wrong? So is it 12 root 3? Yes, this value will be 12 root 3, because side of a cube is given as 12. Now finally, what can I write down? Add all those things. Root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3. Write down in blue ink. 2 root 3. Root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3 R plus glass sphere V is nothing but 10. Now they go by in rubber spheres. Here R is left out. Here R is left out. I will be taking down this as 2R, which is nothing but equal to how much, man? Body diagonal of the cube. Body diagonal of the cube is nothing but equal to how much? 12 root 3. Am I right or wrong? So I will be taking down R as common there. What will be left over? 2 root 3 minus 2 will be left over. Sorry, it is plus 2, not minus 2. Plus 2 will be left over. This 10 will go on to that side, which will become 12 root 3 minus 10. Now finally, what will be your R value? R value is nothing but equal to 12 root 3 minus 10 divided by 2 root 3 plus 2. I hope so you are getting my point there, right? So this glass spheres are attached to the showcase piece, right? Because it has to be intact. The point given here is intact, right? So to prevent the showpiece by rolling around means nothing but keeping intact. So where is that option there? So your option is did we missed out anything there? Did we missed out anything there? 2 root 3 plus 2. Yes, we are right, ma'am. There is no, yes, there is an option here. Oh, bolo beta, sorry, there is an option. So see here, I can take 2 common outside, right? If I take 2 common outside, so what will be the value there? 6 root 3 minus 5 divided by how much? Denominator also I can remove 2. So this will be 1 root 3 plus 1. Is there any option there? Once check down and let me know the thing there. Yes, there is an option there. Root 3 plus 1. So your option number 1 satisfies that. Perfectly right? So mensuration, if you can draw the diagram perfectly, 90% of your confusion will be gone. Let's go for the next one. Let's see how many can solve this. So this is an easy one. A little bit of algebra plus mensuration. If you know the formula, then if you know little bit of algebra, you can solve this question very easily. Let's see how many can solve this. Avyay Agarwal, right? If it is a 2D object, what will you do to find out the value there? Let us suppose take, draw here. This is a 2D object. Now there is a circle here. Now see here, there is a gas here like this. How to find out this value there? Am I right or wrong? Is this the way? This will be your Pythagorean triplet value root 2. You are doing for a 3D object, then it becomes root 3 na. Body diagonal will be becoming na. Think of that. We are doing for a cube, not for a square. Cube means 3D object. You will be getting body diagonal, 3 sides, right? So root 3 will be the thing. If S is the surface area of a cuboid, now we are doing for cuboid, not for cube, of dimensions x comma y comma z, and V is the volume, then 1 by S is equal to, you have to make a little bit of algebra here. Any answer for this? Any options? There is Bhavesh, Anshita Gupta, Srinivas, regular students, Naman Mehta, Pralay Mehta. So all these were absent today. Strength is also low. You can go back away, right? Repeating the same thing, you will also get bored later on if you watch a recorded video. Chalo. First of all, I'll write down the total surface area of the cuboid. The x, y, z are the dimensions, it seems. 2 into xy plus yz lb plus bh plus lh. Am I right or wrong? Yes, this will be the thing there. What will be the volume there? Volume is nothing but equal to xyz, and you are asked to find out 1 by s, it seems. So first of all, what is 1 by s? I'll write down here. 1 by s is nothing but equal to divided by 2 into xy plus yz plus xz. So can I write down the same equation like this? Let's see. Can I write down the same equation like this? 1 divided by x 2 into xyz into xy plus yz plus xz divided by xyz. So this will be helpful, right? Yes, perfectly. Now can I write down the same thing like this? 1 divided by xy, x into y into z is nothing but volume 2b into, now see here, I will defragment it. So this becomes 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. So your LCM will be xyz and your numerator will be xy plus yz plus xz. You will get the same value there, right? So is this the option there? Yes, your option number B satisfies. As simple as such that. let's see how many can solve the second, this one, right? So I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. Agarwal. A solid cube is cut into 3 solids. I'll underline the point there. A solid cube is cut into 3 solids such that 2 of them are cuboids with the 2 dimensions exactly half of the bigger cube and the third dimension same as the original cube. The third solid has 2 dimensions same as the original cube, it seems. Okay. The remaining thing is half. Find the ratio of total surface area of the smaller cube and the other solid is the question asked. Okay. The answer for this? Seconds more. That is the regular students. On Saturday is Friday, so weekend. Aditya, what is that answer there? So chalo, right, this is totally divided into 3 solids it seems here. So 2 of them, right? So I'll write down about this 2 of them. So 2 of them, what are the dimensions that, let us suppose take solid cube has L length, because all the sides are L only. Now this cuboid will be having 2 dimensions exactly half of the original cube it seems. L by 2 comma L by 2 comma L. Am I right or wrong? So let's find out the, what is the question asked, ratio of total surface area. Let's find out the total surface area of this. Everybody know total surface area is nothing but 2 into L into B. So can I write down like this? L by 2 into L by 2. Is it L square by 4? Plus L by 2 into L square by 2. And this is also L square by 2. Am I right or wrong? When I consider these are the dimensions there. Now finally what will be the value there? 4 will be the LCM there. 5 square by 2 will be left over. Am I right or wrong? Finally if I calculate all these things, 5L square by 2 will be left over. I hope so you are getting my point here. Let's come to the next one, the other cube. Other cube dimension is 2 dimensions are same of original cube it seems. The other will be, third one will be L by 2 it seems. This is the point given there. Let's find out the total surface area of this. Will be this 2 into L into B, L square, B into H, L square by 2. Again L into H, L square by 2. So this will be what, 2 and 2 will get cancelled in numerator, and this one 2 square plus L square which will be 4L square. Am I right or wrong? Now you are asked to find out the diamond ratio of these 2 surface areas, right? Automatically what will be the ratio there? Is it 5:8? L square gets cancelled. This is the value there. As simple as such that, right? And your option number A satisfies. Any of you got the logic? So detailed writing of the given data almost all will help you to solve the question very easily. Let's see a question there. This one, right? So those who know frustum formulas can solve this question very easily, right? With code also you can solve, but let's see how many can solve this question there. 1 minute more. Paritosh, so long time. Is it so? No beta. It is not 4:25. अब गलत किया, एक बार देखो what you have done. So an ice cream is in the shape of a right circular cone, it seems. Is cut parallel to its base. So I'll take cone. D, it's not D, Agarwal. So I'm happy that I have given a very good question. No, it's not D. Chalo, see, I'll take down. Now this is a right circular cone, ice cream cone, and it is cut parallel to its base, it seems, into 5 slices. So let us suppose take this is the first slice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We take down this. This is 1. Second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth slice. Of all equal heights, it seems. Let us suppose take. I will take unitary height only. Alright. I will take down unitary height. Now everybody know. Let us suppose take 1 unit. I will take down 1 unit. Everybody know, right? So upon increasing the height, your radius of the cone will be increasing. Now closely observe that for the fourth piece, there are 2 radius, right? So this part is nothing but called frustrum. Am I right or wrong? This is not cone mark. Every ice cream slice is nothing but equal to frustrum. It is not a cone. How many of you are getting the point there? This is frustrum, not a cone. So can anybody say what are the total surface area and volume of the frustrum there? Anybody? So volume of the frustrum is nothing but equal to, everybody know volume of the cone, 1 by 3 into, as I said that there will be 2 radius, capital R square plus small r square plus capital R into small r into height. Now what will be the total surface area? As we are dealing frustrum, I will write down the total surface area also for you here. Pi into capital R square plus small r square plus capital R into slant height beta. L means slant height, everybody know. Small r into slant height. Hope so you got my point there. Now what is the question asked? What is the ratio of the volume of middle slice to that of the biggest slice? Now you are asked to find out ratio of the volume of this slice and this slice, middle slice. Okay, so middle to biggest. So first of all, I'll write down the third one. Am I right or wrong? Volume of the third slice. What will be this? I'll handle one by one, right? 1 by 3 into. What will be larger radius of this? Is it here this one? This is 3 units. This is 2 units beta. This is 3 units. This is 2 units. So larger one is 3 square. Of course, right? 1 by 3. I missed out pi here beta. Pi I have to write down there, right? So pi into 1 by 3 into, so I'll write down this. 1 second, give me 1 second. 1 by 3 into pi r square. This is 1 by 3 into pi into capital R is nothing but 3 square. Small r is nothing but 2 square. 3 into 2. Height will be same, 1 unit only. Let's write down the volume of the fifth slide. Yes, third option, right? After 2 attempts you gave the correct answer. 1 by 3 into pi into capital R will be 5 square, small r will be 4 square, am I right or wrong? Plus 5 into 4, height will be same beta. So 1 by 3 pi gets cancelled. Now this is 3 square 9. 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 6 is nothing but 19. Divided by, how much is this? 25 plus 16. 35, 41 plus 20. So it is 61. So your ratio of the middlemost slice to the fifth slice, this is your answer there. I hope so you are getting my point there, right? Chalo, done. Let's go for the next one. This is, I took this from Bodhi Prep, I think so. So let me see how many can answer this question there. Waiting for the best answers. Agarwal, what's your answer there? So those who are watching the session, if you like the question, please do try to hit the like button for this class so that I can reach to more number of audience here. It's my request. One minute more. All 5 faces of a regular pyramid. Regular pyramid means even there with a square base are found to be of same area. All the 5 faces have same area, it seems. The height of the pyramid is 3 centimeter. The total area of all the surfaces is the question asked. Any answer for this? Seconds more. $15 is not the answer, Raj. Check where you are going wrong. I'll solve the question there, don't worry about that. A base is a square pyramid, it seems. Take a square. Any answers from Agarwal, Paritosh, Aditya, Naman Mehta? No answers. Right, chalo. Now, this is a regular pyramid, right? So regular pyramid means it has to be triangular faces. Everybody know about this. Four, no. So see here, this will be also be one side beta. Okay, clear. And this is a regular pyramid with square base. Now, side of the square I will take down as A. Side of the square I will be taking down this as A. Now closely observe there, is this nothing but called height of the pyramid? Yes, this is called height of the pyramid. Now what will be this length exactly? So height of the pyramid at exactly it will be at the middle of the square. Middle of the square matlab this value will be A by 2. Am I right or wrong? This will be A by 2. No aware. No Agarwal, let's check it. Now this is nothing but called height of the triangular face. Am I right or wrong? This is called height of the triangular face, or you call it a slant height of the pyramid. You can say anything there. Height of the triangular face or slant height of the pyramid. How do you calculate this slant height? By Pythagoras theorem, everybody know. So this value is nothing but equal to root of A square by 4. Now what will be the height of the pyramid there? It is given as 3 square 9. So finally this is 36 plus A square by 4 root of slant height of the pyramid. Now I will find, let us write down area of the one triangular face. Area of the one triangular face is nothing but half into base is nothing but how much? Base is nothing but A. Height is nothing but how much? Root of 36 plus A square by 4, which is nothing but equal to area of the square, because all the 5 faces of a regular pyramid have equal area, it seems. So triangular face area is nothing but equal to base square area, A square. Am I right or wrong? 1A gets cancelled. Squaring on both sides, what I get is, so this I will write down as 1 by 4 into 36 plus a square by 4 is equal to, again after squaring this becomes a square, 16a square. Finally, can I write down this as 15a square is equal to 36? Now देखो बेटा, I will take down 3 as common. If I take down 3 as common, 5a square is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 12? 5a square is nothing but equal to area of the all faces. How many faces are there for this pyramid? One square base, 4 triangular faces. All these areas are same and all these are equal to a square only. So 5a square, this is nothing but equal to total area of all the faces. And my option number 2 satisfies, and this is my answer. So how many of you got this idea there? Hope so. I am clear regarding this. Shall we go for the next question? We'll go for the next one. This is one of my favorite question here. Let's see. We can solve this. 2 minutes. Try this. In the given figure, not drawn to scale, BC is tangent to the circle at D, okay? And AD passes through the center of the circle such that AD is the ratio of AD, BD and DC is root 3 is to 1 is to 3. Find the ratio of area of triangle AEF to that of triangle ABC is the question asked. Okay. I can write down one point for you, right? As it passes through the center of the circle, I'll take down center of the circle as O, which will be on AD only. I can do one more point, right? So see here, AD will be diameter of the circle. Of course, radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. Yes, I can damn surely write down this point there. Any answer? Nobody. Chalo, I'll solve it. Now this is 90 degrees, ma. Everybody know now. AD value is nothing but how much? Root 3 it seems. If AD value is root 3, any other point given there? Now BD value is given as 1. DC value is given as 3. I can easily say this triangle ADC is 90, 60, 30 degrees triangle there. 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. So see here, you closely observe there. This point 30 degrees is 3. Now 60 degrees, so this will be in the format of 1 is to root 3 is to 2. No better, right? 30 degrees is not 3. This is root 3. 30 degrees is root 3. If 30 degrees is root 3, now your 60 degrees will be 3. Now 90 degrees will be 2 root 3. You accept with me? Yes, perfectly. Now see here, opposite to 30, it is nothing but 60 degrees here. This is 90. How much will be this? This will be 30. By this, what can I say? My AC value is 2 root 3. We got this point there. Now you are asked to find a triangle AEF it seems. So I have to take a line segment here from E to F. and you closely observe there. I will take down this line, this point as go center of the circle. Okay. Any other point that I can match down there? Now this will also be 90 degrees beta. Am I right or wrong? You closely observe there. Yes or no? This will be 90 degrees. Yes or no? Yes. And again, this side is 1. This side is root 3. Now hypotenuse value will be how much? 3 plus 1. Is it nothing but called 2? Yes. Now your ADB triangle is also ABD triangle is also in the format of 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. Yes. And again, 1 is to root 3 is to 2, exact format there. Opposite to root 3 will be 60 degrees. Now this is 60 degrees. Now opposite to 1 will be 30 degrees. Very good. Now closely observe that this will be how much? 90 degrees. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. Yes. Now this is 90 degrees beta. This is 90 degrees. And you closely observe there. This AOF is nothing but an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So opposite sides will be equal. Now closely, this is radius. So this angle will be equal. Now this will be 30 degrees. Okay, damn surely. Now this will be how much? I'll remove this root 3 as you understood. This AD value is root 3. Na? So this will be how much? 60. This will be 120. Now how much will be this? This will be 60. And automatically this will be also 60. And you closely have 60, 30, 90, 90 complete. AEF is also sum of the angles of a triangle is satisfying. Now by this what can I say? Triangle AEF and triangle ABC are similar triangles. Both have 90 degrees. Am I right or wrong? And they are residing on the proportionate basis. So if they are similar triangles, and they are 90, 30, 60, they are 90, 30, 60. Exact sides ratio will also be same. So 1:2 ratio means matlab their areas of the triangles, area of triangle AEF divided by area of triangle ABC. Can anybody say the property when they are similar triangles? The areas will be in the ratio of their squares of their sides. Am I right or wrong? Squares of their sides. Now what will you take down? The squares of their sides matlab. Squares of their sides matlab. Ab dekho, see here, this complete value is root 3. This is exactly half. This will be root 3 by 2. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. Yes or no? Yes, perfectly. AO value is root 3 by 2. OD value is root 3 by 2. So will this be root 3 by 2 whole square divided by root 3 whole square? Am I right or wrong? Or otherwise, I can take down like this also. I'll remove this. So I'll remove this for you. What I will do is, what will be this value? If this is root 3 by 2, what will be this? This will also be root 3 by 2. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? I can take down like this. So calculate this first of all. Let's see. This is 3 by 4 divided by 3. So is it nothing but called? Did I miss out anything there? Waiting for your answer there. Did I miss out anything there in calculations? Root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 whole square. It is 3:12. But it is not 3:12 now. There is no such option there. So what can I do there? Waiting for your answer there. Yes. Pruma. I will be taking down like this, right? EF whole square divided by BC whole square, residing on proportionate basis. Na? EF whole square is nothing. This is root 3 by 2. This will also be root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 will be how much? EF value will be root 3 whole square divided by BC value is how much? 4 whole square. My answer will be equal to 3:16. Yes, perfectly I got my answer there. My option number A. No, Paritosh, it is A. 3 is to 16, na? EF base, BC base are proportionate bases. Similar triangles. Aram se dekho, right? Yes. So this is a question which was asked in all the examinations. Even previous UPSC examination also the same question was asked. A similar type of CAT question. Try this. Paritosh, what's the answer there? Theta. You have to answer you have to give the correct answer. Waiting for the best answers. A semicircle is inscribed in a quarter circle as shown in the figure with radii OA and OB equal to 2 root 21 centimeter. What is the area of the shaded region is the question asked. And they are asked to take pi value is equal to 22 by 7. Let's see how many can solve this. They are the best questions here. Avyai, what's the answer there? Raj Dubey. The answer? No. Chalo, I'll take down it. First of all, what is the area of the shaded region? Na? I will find out this a semicircle area. Semicircle area I'll take down in blue ink here. Semicircle area is nothing but called pi r square by 2. So what is the value there? 1 by 2 into pi value must be taken as 22 by 7 as given in the data. What will be the r value there? R value is nothing but 2 root 21. 2 root 21 whole square, which will be nothing but called 4. So this will be 2 left over. This will be 3 left over. What will be left over there? Yeah, 7 1s are 7 3s are. So did I miss out anything there? So I'll write down again. Second. 1 by 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 2 root 21 is nothing but equal to 4 into 21. 1 1s are 7 3s are 2 1s are 2 11s are 11 3s are 33. Did I miss out anything there? Arey beta, right? Sorry man. Semicircle is inscribed in a quarter circle, it seems. What is answering me, right? So you have to find out the area of the quarter circle. This is OAB. OAB is a quarter circle. Am I right or wrong? So 1 by 4 into pi r square. Sorry, pi r square. That's what I am getting wrong answer. 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is nothing but equal to 4 into 21. 4 gets cancelled. 7 1s are 7 3s are. Now the area of the quarter circle is 66 centimeter square. Let's find out the area of the semicircle now. For this I have to know the radius of the semicircle. Am I right or wrong? 1 by 2 pi r square. Let's find out the radius of the semicircle. I'll take down red r. Now you closely observe there, from O to here I will take down a line segment. I will take down this as O dash, center of the semicircle. Now this will be radius and this will be radius. Okay, now I'll take down black line segments which will be called radius of the semicircle. This is radius of the semicircle. This is radius of the semicircle, which is nothing but equal to r, which is nothing but equal to r. How much will be this? This will be root 2r because this is a square. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. Now you closely observe there. Diagonal of a square will divide the vertex angle into two equal halves. Now this is completely 90 degrees, which will be divided into 45, 45. Okay. Now one more point. I'll be taking down like this. This blue line, this is nothing but called radius of the quarter circle. These are radius of the quarter circles. Now, are you observing a triangle there? Yes, you are observing a triangle. This total sum will be 180 degrees. Now, how can I frame this angle there? Let me know. What will be this angle? Anybody in the comment section box? Can anybody say what will be this angle? What will be this complete angle will be 180 degrees. Am I right or wrong? So how much will be this angle is divided? Anybody? So see here, this will be 45 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now see here, this will be also 45 degrees. Now this angle completely will be 90 degrees. 90 degrees. This is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, root 2r whole square. Why I am saying like this is root 2r whole square. Yes or no? Plus r square is nothing but equal to this value is this value is nothing but 2 root 21 whole square. Now let me know the answer there. This is 2r square. Completely this will be 3r square is equal to 4 into 21. So this will be 3 1s are 3 7s are. Caps r square value will be how much ma? 28. We'll substitute the same value here. 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into r square value is how much ma? 28. 7 1s are 7 4s are 2 1s are 2 11s are. Is it 44 centimeter square? What is the question asked? Closely observe there. What is the question asked? And again see here how I am saying this 45 degrees means you closely observe there O dash is nothing but I have dropped a perpendicular from the center of the circle onto this chord called this one. Let us suppose take this is x and y. So this divides the chord into two equal halves and it makes exactly perpendicular. That's why I wrote it as 45. So those who have any doubt how did you wrote 45? Then you can, this is the exact meaning there. So the difference shaded area value will be how much? Is it 22 centimeter square? Yes, the shaded area value will be 22 centimeter square and this is the answer. I hope so I am clear. Chalo. Let's go for the next one. Shall we solve this? We will solve this question now. Later on we'll come back to that question. Okay, it's an easy question. Let's solve some tough questions. Seconds more. low strength today. Every day there will be more than 20 students in the class. There was suddenly arch. A right circular cone is immersed in clear water to 1/4 of its height, it seems here. Let's draw the anybody got the answer there? Nobody. So let us suppose take this is a cone. And the cone. Now this cone is immersed up to 1/4 of its height, it seems. Immersed in water. Okay, fine. So what will be the height that will be over the water? It will be 3/4 of the height. 3/4 of the height. If I consider this as height of the cone, this will be radius of the cone. What is the point given there? Such that tip of the water and the circular base is horizontal. Tip of the water is here, circular base is horizontal, straight. Find the volume of the portion of the cone above the water. If the full height of the cone is 12 centimeter, 12 by 4, this will be 3. Now this will be 9. Radius of the cone is how much? 7. First of all, let's find out the total volume of the cone. Total volume of the cone is nothing but equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the formula there. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into what is radius? Radius is 7, 7 square, 7 into 7. What is height? It is 12. Let's calculate this. 7 ones are 7 ones are 3 ones are 3 fours are. Yes, A will be the answer. Very good. 88 into 7. So 88 into 7 will be 616 centimeter cube. Now you need not calculate the remaining one, right? So see here, this is 1/4 of the height is in the water. 3/4 of the cone is above the water there. So how much of volume is in the water? I will find out this one. Now closely observe there, 1 by 4 is height. So if you want to find out volume, I have to cube these dimensions there. 1 by 4 whole cube into 616 is your answer there. Now what will be the answer there here? 616, 4 cube is nothing but how much? 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64. So let's calculate this. 2 threes are, 2 zeros are, 2 eights are, or otherwise I'll keep it like this only, right? So finally this part you need answer there. So 61, subtract this one, that will be the answer there. 616 minus 6 into 616 divided by 64, then you will get the answer there. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. So finally 63 into 61, 64 minus 1 61, 6 by 64. Let's find out. So this is 8 eights are, this is 8 sevens are 56, 8 sevens are again 56. So 63 into 77 will be how much? 4851. So my answer will be 4851 by 8 centimeter cube will be the answer. Three of you got the same answer. My option number A satisfies the answer there. Yes. Agarwal gave me the answer exactly. Let's go with the next question. This is an easy question, ma. This one. This I am expecting you guys to answer the question. Let's see how many can answer this. Mostly last question of the series here. Not pressure you hereafter. As shown in the diagram, an ant is at one corner called E. So I'll just write it. Ant is at this corner called E of the metal cuboid and wants to take the shortest path to reach the crystal of sugar which is placed at C. Find the acute angle made by the shortest path taken by the ant with side AB to reach the crystal of the sugar it seeks. Is it so? A. I thought it will be B. Are you so? Is no, you are answering the previous one, huh? Sorry. Try this. So what I will do is I will make it as a two-dimensional figure. So see here, this is the left hand side of the cuboid. Na? I'll just open this flap. I'll keep exactly horizontal to the top flap. Then I'll draw the diagram. Then you can get a clarity there. Let's see. Now see here, what I will do is I will be taking down. Then just let me take down the shape here. See. Now see, I will be taking down like this. Observe the things there, what I am doing. Now this is, so see here, if I take this flap horizontally, now this part will be A. This part will be E. A and E will be exactly on the same fulcrum. Am I right or wrong? Now this part will be F. This part will be B. This part will be C. This part will be D. What are the lengths there? Closely observe there. This is given as 12. So automatically EF length will be 12. Now this is AD is given as 4. AD is given as 4. And see here AE is nothing but equal to DH. Right? And this, fine, how are you here? This is given as 5. Am I right or wrong? AE is nothing but equal to DH. AD is nothing but 4. I hope so you got my point there. Now see here, ant is at a point called E and sugar crystal is at a point called here. So what I have done there, this is top face, this is left hand side face. I made it on the same fulcrum there in order to easily understandable. Ab dekho beta, is this nothing but called shortest path because ant can only crawl on the surface. It cannot fly. This is your shortest part. And this is nothing but the acute angle made by the path. This is also the same angle there. Now you closely observe there. I will do one point there. Now, what is this angle there? Now see here, triangle CED and triangle, let us suppose take this as some X point, XEA, triangle XEA. These are similar triangles. Am I right or wrong? How many of you know this? Because they have a common angle called E. Yes or no? And the same angles are residing on the same shortest path, and it will be same exactly. Now let us find out this angle theta. Now this angle theta, tan theta is nothing but equal to opposite side. Opposite side is nothing but 9. Adjacent side is nothing but how much? 12. Is it 12? So it is 3 by 4. So can I write down my theta as tan inverse 3 by 4? Please let me know yes or no. Perfectly done. And if this is theta, my acute angle will also be theta. In similar triangles, angles will be exactly same. There will be no change in angles there. So how many of you got this point perfectly? Let me know this thing, right? And your option number A satisfies the answer there. Exactly done. Shall we do one more question? So let's continue in the next class. I hope so you like the questions. And yes, we are offering you to a flat 23% discount as New Year gift. So those who are serious to join the best quality courses, do try to join. And these are the prices after 23% off, and you can use my referral code NLN10, right, to avail this offer there, right? And yes, let's continue. So do try to join my special classes here. I am dealing the best puzzles, the best strategy sessions, right? Some of my strategy sessions have 1,000 students also. We can interact directly, okay? And yes, do try to join this Telegram group so that you will get all the updates regarding my classes and all the courses. Please do try to hit the like button, share my classes, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, download the PDF in the Telegram group. Okay, let's meet sharp tomorrow 9 PM. Bye, have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.